Welcome to the Neon Shadow series. Episode 4.5, The Geometry of the Hunt, a Xylosian Point of View. Synchronization complete. Link established with Hive Core Alpha. We are drifting in the high-altitude atmospheric dust of the rims. To the biological units below, this place is a void of ice and radiation. To the Hive, it is a grid of vectors. We do not see with eyes, we perceive through the chitin. We feel the friction of the shroud against our hull plating. We taste the ions in the wind. The target is designated Unit Freighter ZX-40, common name, Foxy Lady. The biological pilot is designated Juno. She is an anomaly. Most human pilots operate within the 90th percentile of predictable flight paths. They fear the radiation, they fear the dark, they follow the beacons because the beacons are the only truth they have left. But this one, Unit Juno, she flies with a statistical erratus. 30 minutes ago, her fusion signature vanished. She has entered cold state. The Hive Core calculates a 92% probability that she is hiding in the shadow of the orbital debris field. She thinks the cold will hide her. She does not understand that to a Xylosian, the absence of heat is its own kind of heat. A void in the thermal grid is a silhouette of a thief. We are sweeping the rims in the pattern of the spiral. We are three, but we are one mind. My wingmates, 4 Apex and 9 Apex, feel the same vibration I do. We are the Black Swarm. We do not hunt for hunger. We hunt for the equation. The cargo she carries, the lumens, the humans call them glow. They see them as a drug, a way to make their pathetic, flickering lives feel like a sun for a few minutes. The Xylosians see the truth. The lumens are the harmonizers. Our hive cores are dying. The nuclear fusion that powers our worlds is decaying into entropy. The song of the lumens is the only frequency that can stabilize the vibration of a failing sun. Without them, the hive goes silent. Without them, the Xylosians become dust. We must recover the song. I have detected a thermal leak. Vector 7 to 9 beta. It is faint. A single calorie of heat escaping through a cracked seal in the human ship's aft thruster. It is a signature of failure. The asterisk Foxy Lady asterisk is an old animal. She is bleeding energy into the vacuum. I am adjusting my mandibles. I am signaling the swarm. We are closing the V formation. I can hear the human through the comms intercept. She is speaking. She is vocalizing in Hindi and English. She is making sounds of defiance. It is a fascinating biological waste of oxygen. She speaks to her ship as if it were a member of her hive. She calls it baby. She calls it girl. Why do humans assign gender to their metal? Why do they seek companionship in the tools of their survival? It is a flaw in their programming. It is why they will eventually be reclaimed by the dark. Wait, anomaly detected. The thermal void is expanding. The human has not dumped the cargo. She has not surrendered. The Hive Core predicted she would attempt a compromise. The probability of an atmospheric slingshot was only 4%. She is engaging the fusion drive. She is hot-starting the Foxy Lady is no longer a shadow. She is a flare. She is burning at a temperature that should melt her own shielding. She is plunging into the radiation belt. Be rational, she will be blinded. Her sensors will be fried by the electromagnetic interference. She will be flying by instinct, another human variable that has no place in the geometry of space. She thinks the radiation will hide her from us. She thinks we will not follow her into the fire. She is mistaken. The Hive Core has updated the mission parameters. We are no longer in the hunt. We are in the pursuit. We will follow the flare. We will follow the song until the metal of our ships turns to liquid. Unit Juno, you are a curious biological specimen. You fight for the brother in the hole. You fight for the lumens in the hold. You fight against the dark as if you expected to win. We are the Black Swarm. We have outlived 1,000 suns. We will outlive you, accelerating to intercept vector locked, mandibles open. The song will be ours. Silence will be yours.